Okay, let's check this roof out. Look at it, how clean all the joints are. The face of the tile, the top of the tile. That's what you want. You can see over here, it's actually starting to dry, so it's getting bright. Let's take a look down the side here. That's the finished product. That's how bright that is. 561-907-9541. No dead grass, no dead plants, just high quality work. And you get a 2-year warranty. Check over here. This is the actual clean spot here. It's dry. That's the actual color of the roof right here, the tile. There you go. It's amazing how much a pro can make a big difference on the appearance of your home and value.